I've got an updated makeup routine. Taste test. Take these off. Hey guys, it's Lily Bakes here and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first video of 2024. I'm very excited for the year ahead. I've got lots planned for you guys, including lots of stuff on my vision board, which you'll all see at some point. I'm very excited for the year and I hope you all are too. Hope you had a good start to your year. So in this week's video I've got like a vlog of my week sort of, and I've got a very important thing which happened to me, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to watch that. But before we get started with the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Let's go. Good morning everyone. Today is a very big day for me. I have my driving test today, but it's not until 1:30, but I'm leaving at 12:30 for lesson before, so I need to distract myself. So I thought this morning I'm going to make some big like New York cookies. So I'm going to do them with you guys and film it for some content as well. So I'm going to get up now, get ready and then start filming. It is, what is the time now? I think it's about 9 o'clock. Been laying in bed for a bit. I'm going to get up now. I've got an updated makeup routine. All of it is out here. The first thing that I start off with is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum. And then I put on Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Whilst I'm putting the moisturiser on, I thought I'd tell you guys that I've already used this morning. And this. And this. Which is my skincare routine, which I do like in the morning. Like when I wake up, and I do it before I go to bed as well. And that is one of my New Year's resolutions, to do my skincare every night and every morning because I always forget to do it. Now time for the full coverage Kiko concealer, which I'm just going to put under my eyes, and then I've got a few spots, so I'm going to cover them up. Now that's done and I look silly, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand, and then after that I'm going to use the Made by Mitchell liquid blusher in burst buns. I use the Benefit Hoola just to go over everything. Now I'm going to use the Matte Beauty blush wand, Pillow Talk one from Charlotte Tilbury, just to put more blush on because I love it. And now for my second favourite part, the Beauty Light wand, Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Hollywood one and I love this so much. It is amazing. I need to get a new one soon. Why am I putting it there as if I'm, oh my god. I need to get a new one soon because I'm running out. But why if I just put it up there, I'm actually like, that is so stupid of me. Now it's time for my actual favourite part, which is mascara, which I love so much. Obviously you have to curl the lashes before because it just makes it 10 times better. Can you see the difference between there and there? I can. Now look at the difference with mascara and no mascara. This is what I mean, it is amazing. My makeup is all done and I'm ready. Or not ready, I need to get ready. I need to get dressed so I can start filming. This is my outfit. I'm gonna clean my teeth and then I can start filming. This hazelnut cream, which is the inside of a bueno, so I'm going to fill it with both of these and they're going to be big cookies. Hazelnut cream. We always talk about my baking with my instructor, so I thought I would give him, I'm going to bake some and give him one to try.
Brooke, what are you up to?
Driving.
For what?
Spanish.
How are you feeling?
Nervous.
How are you feeling?
Down. They've just come out the oven. This is what they look like. So I'm going to open one up. This is the Bueno one. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. My driving instructor has just got here, so wish me luck. I'm gonna go now. Eating my banana quickly. He's literally here, I'm eating it. But it releases lots of energy apparently. Oh. Releases energy slowly.
What did you forget?
My license.
A licence, which is obviously quite important.
Steve, is she gonna pass?
Oh, she is. How could you?
Hello.
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 Thank God. Yes. Well done, babe.
Thank you. That would be me.
Oh, so good.
I can't believe it. I'm so happy. But I just thought I'd let you know, guys, that I actually didn't pass my first time. But I've passed now. So this is a note to everyone. Just keep going and you will get there, I promise. Because you will end up passing your driving test. Like I did today.
Brooke, what do you think about Lily driving?
So good. So guys, this is my Lily's first drive out. We're stuck in traffic currently. And I am on the Orcs this time. It's raining now, but my insurance is sorted, so I'm going to go out so I can finally take these off. It is a few days later now after I've passed my driving test, and I've been driving everywhere. But in the rest of the video, I am taking Brooke to her exams, and I also took Rosie out for some lunch because she actually passed her maths and she got a 5. So well done, Rosie. She's absolutely amazing. But yeah, let's go and watch what I got up to. I'm with Brooke and we're just about to leave to take Brooke to her exam. And we're leaving a bit later than we should have done, and there's loads of traffic. Guys, we're just driving to my exam. I've got English and drama today. Good morning everyone. Well, it's not morning, it's like 10 o'clock now. And today I'm going to be taking Rosie out at like 1 o'clock because she has just found out some big news, so I'm going to take her out and treat her to some lunch. This morning I need to edit some videos. That's what I'm going to do this morning, and then I'll go pick her up. And yeah, you can come with us. I'm here with Rosie.
You need to film me.
Yeah. We're in Prezzo and I'm treating her to some food.
So, do a little vlog for the viewers.
So we're in Prezzo and I'm thinking we're going to get a garlic bread to share. I'm going to get a lasagna. And Rosie wants, what did you say you wanted?
Spaghetti with the king prawns.
This one, spaghetti with king prawns. But our cheesy garlic bread. Taste test.
Give that a solid 8 out of 10.
Lasagna. Rosie's
King prawns.
pasta.
Yeah.
Looks nice, doesn't it?
It actually does, yeah.
Look how hot mine is. That is the end of the video, guys. But before I go, I just wanted to say a massive Happy New Year to everyone and hope you all have a lovely 2024. But make sure to comment down below some new content ideas that you have for me, because I've got lots of videos coming this year and I want you guys to all be involved in all my content. So comment down below. But that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye!